Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can encrypt a word using AEC encryption, which is a symmetric encryption with a single secret key. If you want to have visualized version, I have already added one video. I'll add into this top right corner of this video so that you can watch. There are many online tools which will do AES encryption. Okay, so in the by using Java language, we can use this actually. We can encrypt the passwords if we are using any project. If in your project, if you are writing any password and you want to encrypt it in your project, you can encrypt using this method. Okay, so here I'm taking a scanner class. Scanner I can take into the value, which are the value if I want to encrypt. So I will generate a secret key. This is the method to generate a secret key. We are using key generator and the instance we are giving is AES. And I'm generating a 256-bit key size. We can generate 128 or 192 or 256. I'm using 256. If you want to generate 128, you can change this one to 128. All right. Then I'm converting the secret key to the string. So this is what conversions of it. Just base 64 is the version of the format where we can get the key. I'm encoding to get to string. So encoded to string, it will give me the string value. Okay. So now we have two functions, encrypt and decrypt. Encrypt will take the original text, which I'm taking it from the user. Secret key, which I've already got it from here. Okay, so let us see the encrypt function. Don't worry, I'll add this entire code into the description or a GitHub link where you can download and work around. Okay, so I'm using the secret random, so it is which is of byte 16. I'm using optional IV parameter. So IV we are generating also as a cipher mode. Cipher we are basically using CBC for AES here. So and also I'm typing the IV cipher mode for CBC and also during the decrypt one. So I'm using the encrypted text, which are the text which have got encrypted, secret key, and IV string. Three things I'm taking as an input, and I'm decoding it based on base 64 get decoder, decode of IV string, and we are cipher we are using of CBC, AES, PKC, S5 padding, but here we are using CBC, and we are returning the string of decoded bytes. Okay, let me run this program, run as Java application. Let me expand this. So let me now run this encrypted file, run as Java application. Just let me write my name. I'll just write Azhar. The value entered is Azhar. This is the secret key of base 64. This is the encrypted one. So we have encrypted based on CBC. So this is the initialization with the IV for base 64. And after this, decryption also happens. So both the functions we are calling here. So both the functions we are calling here encryption and decryption. Okay. And we are printing also. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.